Hey everyone, let us check out the DELSEY Paris Helium Aero carry-on luggage. This Hardside suitcase features a lightweight polycarbonate shell with a striking brushed charcoal finish. 4 double spinner wheels provide smooth, multi-directional rolling with 0 weight on your hand. You also get an integrated TSA-approved lock and up to 2 extra inches of packing space. Inside, 2 fully lined compartments and multiple pockets keep all your belongings secure and organized. The recessed, 1-button locking handle ensures great maneuverability wherever you travel. Grab this stylish carry-on for your next adventure. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.